Hi there, my name is Syed. In this video we will take a look at a tax bracket and tax rate calculator, how to calculate on online demo. We can take a look at it. And so let's get started with this video. Disclaimer: this is not a financial, tax or legal advice. This is entertainment purposes only. Do your own homework. I am just a random guy on YouTube, so please find professional advice from professionals. So let's take a look at it, some examples. For example, there's a tax bracket. This is a percentage showing single, married, filing jointly. So these are the different limits for tax rate. If somebody make 100k and if this person is single, for example, first 10,000 would be 10%, anything 10,000 to 40,000 would be 12%, and from 40 to 85 would be 22, and 85 and above would be 24. So this is just a breakdown for a married. If the married couple have an income of 100k, their first 20,000 would be 10%, 20,000 to 80,000 would be 12%, and 82 and above up to 100k would be 22%. So that is just a breakdown, you can see for yourself. So first 10,000 you 20,000 you pay 10% tax rate, anything above that up to 80 would be 12%, and 20k on above that is 22%. So more you make, more taxes you pay up to the certain limit. And so let's get started with that. So the links will be in the description below, you can check them out as well from IRS website. So this is a tax bracket calculator from the website, where you can see I just put married filing jointly, there's a rate, and it is showing you making 24%, you're paying up to 30,207. So let's get started with this demo. The link will be in the description below, where you can find the link. So I have selected for example married filing jointly 160k. Let's make it to 170 for example, and click on the calculator option. So it's showing tax bracket is 22%, and you're paying 23,524 for the federal income tax. So that is your income calculator, that you can see your bracket. And if you want to break down more what just I showed earlier, so that is here again, you can see 10%, 12%, 22%. All of this information is available to you from this website taxact.com, where you can see tax bracket calculator, and that's how you are paying your taxes. So tax bracket is 22%, because your amount up to certain limit is lower bracket, but more you make, more higher tax bracket you are in. If you guys are interested to learning about how to save some money on the taxes, please leave comments below. I can certainly can show you, but let's take a look at more information on this calculator thing. Okay, so for example, now if you are contributing in 401k, and if you are putting IRA money, how can you lower your taxes? So for example, 401k, if you, for example, you're making $10,000 in a year, you're contributing pre-tax money, and IRA you're making $1,000. So by the way, there's a limit for 401k and IRA. You can also I can share this information later on, but for now, just to see, calculate. Let's close this advanced option, calculate. So now you can see your tax rate is changed to 21,000. So what was that before? Let me just remove those. Delete. So right now it's 21,000 and 23,000. So as you can see, you put some more money in your 401k. You for example, there's a limit, the maximum limit of 401k is 19,000, and for 2020 it is 6,000. So let's say if we put maxed out in this, so you can see how much taxes you are lowered how much money you are saving yourself for the taxes, and you putting that money into your saving account, and you paying less taxes if you are maxing out on your 401k and your Roth IRA. Not Roth, I mean that it's traditional IRA. So there are two different kind of 401k and IRA, Roth IRA and regular IRA, and there is also 401k, regular 401k and Roth 401k. So there are different. So but for now you can see you're paying less taxes, you're putting more money into your savings account which you can use for your retirement money, and that's how you can save some money, putting in some money into your savings account onto your 401k and Roth money. Okay, thank you very much watching for this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, let me know if you guys are interested watching these kind of videos more. Okay, thank you, have a good one.